Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're not doing a recipe. You're going to follow me to a barbecue competition. So there's going to be there's two types of judging. Customers can buy a wristband. They can sample all the food. There's a number on the tent. You got to have protein in two sides. You can do pork butt, ribs, brisket, or chicken. I'm doing pulled pork, and I'm going to also be doing my honey butter cornbread and my dill potato salad. Recipes are on my website. So yeah, let's see how good we can do.
$500 goes to contestant number 5.
We've got ignition.
Here I'm removing the pork butts from the packing. Also like to do a crosshatch on the fat cap, help get the seasoning down in there. The seasoning I'm using is a homemade salt, pepper, garlic. It's got 3 different types of sugar in it and a lot of paprika. It gives it a nice color. Yeah, see, it looks good. I got the Green Mountain smoker going. We could fit 6 pork butts on here, 210 degrees overnight. I diced up 30 pounds of red potatoes for my dill potato salad. The stuff usually goes fast. People seem to really like it, and you always got to make a lot of it when I'm doing a party or an event. It takes a long time. I also bake these on a sheet tray. Makes it a lot easier than trying to boil that many potatoes. Here I'm making my honey butter cornbread. I had to do 5 pans of those. As you can see, I use a vertical smoker. Just use it as a warmer. Holds the half pans nicely. I rested all my pork butts in a sous vide bath, and that's what's in this cooler here, along with some honey butter. All right, let's see what we got. Get pulling some of this pork, get ready for the customers, and I got to do a turn-in box for the judges. Don't know where to put that pan. Obviously, I needed a bigger pan, can't mix it in the serving pan. Put some more of my rub on there, a little bit of my vinegar honey barbecue sauce on top, mix it all together, and I'll put it back in a serving tray. Here we're slicing up the cornbread, glaze the top of it with some of the honey butter. Puts a nice sheen on it, adds a nice flavor to the top.
$500 goes to contestant number 5. If anybody wants, Ben's got a YouTube channel. What's it under? What's it? Cracks Country Cooking.
Yeah!
All right, now for the judges' votes. 3rd place. Third place goes to contestant number 4. So first place goes to contestant number 5. Ben, all those nights when you're basement really good. All right, no problem. Thanks for everybody.
Congratulations, Benjamin.
All right, cleaning up after a long day. After they did the voting for popular vote and they did the voting for turn-in boxes, and I won both, so. Yep. Now I gotta go home and clean. Then I'm going to bed.